Vice-Primeiru-Ministru Francisco Kalbuadi reafirma kompromisu Timor-Leste ni adezaun ba ASEAN e a simeira Marketing ASEAN ba dala Sulawesi ida e Jakarta.
Quinta-ne, Vice-Primeiro-Ministru Francisco Kalbuadi participa em simeira Marketing ASEAN. E o discurso, Vice-Primeiro-Ministru reafirma compromisso Timor-Leste niam ba adezaun membro pleno Organização Regional niam no ateten Timor-Leste halo da down reforma no resultado a tudo desenvolvimento economia Timor e a progresso.
ASEAN Vision 2045, and ASEAN is already powerful economic community with more than 680 million people and a combined GDP exceeding $3.8 trillion. The region has extraordinary potential, and for Timor-Leste to join this community means access to large market, new opportunity, and strong policy. As a Deputy Prime Minister and Minister Coordinator for Economic Affairs and also Minister for Tourism and Environment, allow me to share the major reform to transform our economy on our vision. First, build a diverse, dynamic, and sustainable economy, reducing resilience on oil and gas. Second, create decent jobs, especially for youth and a rural community. Third, strengthening local business, especially micro, small, and medium entrepreneurs. Fourth, reduce poverty and improve living standards for all. And the fifth, promoting domestic and foreign private investment. To achieve this, we are focusing on strategic sector, agriculture and fishery, supported by improving infrastructure and irrigation. Tourism and a path of diversification and local revenue generation. Manufacturing to reduce import and build local production capacity. We continue to expand small farm manufacturing, ecotourism, and food production to support export and maintain global standards. We established an integrate national laboratory to ensure high quality and safe products. We are also formalizing our economy, helping micro entrepreneurs, cooperatives, and women entrepreneurs become stronger, legal, and more competitive to prepare our young population for ASEAN. We are improving technical education and professional skill training. To maintain momentum, we are advancing major legal and financial reform, along with our existing private investment law. We are preparing new legislation on insolvency, land and property regulation, export procedure, and competition. We are also implementing tax reform, including the introduction of the value-added tax. Ladies and gentlemen, Join ASEAN is not only about fulfilling requirements, it's about connecting our people to our future and to a large regional family.
Conferência ASEAN Marketing Summit tinanring Rural Lima, Halibur Perito Marketing, empresário no inovador atos recen e a Sudeste Asiático, onde discute futuro marketing e a bloco ASEAN. E a Conferência ASEAN Nemos reta animação o grupo dançarinha Sira Timor-Leste, no artista Sira Timor-Leste. Romaldo Neves, GMN.